Hi friends, happy Earth Day. I'm going to show you a fun project and writing activity that you can do at home today. So what you're going to need at home is a coffee filter, green or blue markers. If you don't have green or blue markers at home, you can grab the watercolors that Mrs. D and I dropped off at your house. You're going to need a spray bottle or a paintbrush with a cup of water. And you're going to need a cookie tray, some scrap paper, and some string. So we are going to make the earth. So you're going to take your coffee filter. This is the first part of our project. You're going to lay it on your cookie tray. You're going to color your earth in blue and use your marker. Color it in blue, parts of it. I'm going to take my other one and I'm going to color in some of it green. I'm going to color in the whole thing so it's the colors of the earth, blue and green. I'm going to fill it all up. Harper did this one for me earlier. So this is what yours should look like when you're done. When you're done coloring it in, all blue and green, you're going to take a spray bottle or a paintbrush and you're going to spray the coffee filter and see what happens. Here, Harper, go for it since you made it. Just spray it lightly. Spray it all over. And you should see, when you pick yours up, that all of the colors blended together to make the earth. So while this part is drying, you are going to, I'm going to put this over here, okay? While that part is drying, you're going to work on the writing part. This is where the scrap paper comes in handy. You're going to do your best, and you're going to draw 3 hearts. So you're going to draw a big heart. If you need help drawing the hearts, that's fine. A grown-up at home can help you do that. So you're going to draw 3 hearts on your scrap paper, and then you're going to cut them out. Mrs. M's already done this. Just like this. 1, 2, 3. And since it's Earth Day today, you can decide 3 ways that you are going to help the earth. And you're going to write them on your heart. You can use a marker for this. You can use a pencil, whatever you would like. So Mrs. M's going to write, I can use less water. And I'm going to put a period. So what does that exactly mean? I can use less water. So that means when I am brushing my teeth in the morning, and sometimes we leave the water running at my house, we're not going to leave the water running. We're going to try to remember to turn the water off when we're brushing our teeth. So we're going to use less water. The next one we're going to do, I can plant a garden. We're going to plant a garden at our house. So we're going to try to grow some cucumbers and tomatoes at our house this year to see what we can do and try to grow our own food. Last thing what we're going to do, we do this at our house. I can recycle. We recycle at school. Everybody does it at school. We recycle paper and we put it in that blue bin at school. At my house, we recycle cans and bottles and plastic every week. So there's my 3 things of how I'm going to help the earth. When I'm done, I didn't use red paper, so hearts are red or pink. So I'm going to color those in. Once you're done coloring those in, have a grown-up help you poke 3 holes in your hearts. When your earth is dry, you're going to poke 3 holes in your earth. Mrs. M did hers already before I started, so I could do this to show you what it's going to look like. 1, 2, 3. Then you're going to take your string. You might need a grown-up to help you. You're going to put your string through the heart, each heart, and then you're going to tie them together, and you're going to tie it to your earth. Mrs. M has to be very careful because my earth is still wet. At home, you're gonna give yours a little bit more time to dry. Harper, thank you for helping.
Yuck.
One more. Three. All right. Let's hope it stays together when Mrs. M picks it up because hers is really wet. Okay. So this is what your Earth Day project is going to look like. There's your Earth all together. And then remember the 3 things I said I could do to help the Earth. I can use less water, I can plant a garden, and I can recycle. I can't wait to see what you guys are going to do to help the Earth. Happy Earth Day!